Hello everyone, this is George from Smartphone Technology with you today, and again I want to teach you about Fiverr, how that site can help you with increasing your eBay limit on selling. Okay, so like you see, I have this video that I did here, but the sound is very low, so you can't hear anything anyway. So I want to show you right now again with a good audio that you can hear me correctly and understand what I'm saying, how you can increase your selling limit on eBay by Fiverr. Yes, you heard correctly, by Fiverr. Okay, before we start, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe also, and the notification button is very helpful, so you can know every time I put a new video. It takes me a few days to do new videos because I don't have that much time to be on my computer. So let's start right now with the site Fiverr. I want to give you the index that I did. Okay, I will get inside the inbox that I written with someone that's called Muhammad from Morocco. He's someone that have permissions on eBay, so I don't know what that means. Okay, but so be it. This guy, I paid him only $5 so he can limit my account that have only 3 feedbacks. Good buying feedbacks, not selling feedbacks, okay? I got from 10 items to 100 items to list, and I got from $500 to $5,000 by speaking with him and give him my information of my account. Of course, not my password and everything else, but I know what I had to give him because he told me to give him what exactly he need. In a few minutes, he told me to check my email limit, and I saw that he put it to 5,000 limit. So that's cool. That's a very fast way and easy way you can increase every time your account. So let me show you what he rated me here. Are you drop shipping? I told him yes. Okay, I will increase your limit now. I told him okay. And here, what is the name of the owner of PayPal account? I told him my name. Now he said, "Hey, okay, I'm increased your limit to 100 items, $5,000. I am the owner of PayPal. Okay, please check your account. Okay, then you see here 100 items and $5,000. Good. If you can more, better. I asked him if he can more. If not, so 100 items is good. And he told me this is the highest that eBay gave him. Okay, it's good. Now he told me to check my inbox. You can see here that it was in February the 10th. Okay, so the same day, the same moment he told me, I checked my inbox in sorry, I limited the list on my eBay, and that's what I saw. Okay, I can put 100 items for $5,000, and I only have just 3 feedbacks, good feedbacks, but for buying things. Okay, I'll get to the message so you can see it when I got this message. Okay, so you can believe it. You can see here. Okay, sorry, it's just a new account that I have just for test this method, so it's working, sorry, and it's good. I called later eBay and asked them if they see something is wrong with my account. They told me nothing is wrong, everything okay, and I listed items to my account to sell things. Okay, so you can see here, where is it? Here Your eBay account limit have been changed. Good. And you can see here when it happened, 10th of February, okay? So that is the real stuff that you can do with Fiverr. If you don't want to sell things, you can buy good things from a good brother there, okay? So if you liked this video, I wish you liked it, yes? And if it's helpful, you will find all the links that you need below the description. And any question you have, you can ask me in the comments below. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe and put the notification button so you can be always updated with the new videos that I will put here. And thanks for watching.